Hey guys, so I got the kitty ears. Ooh. I got the kitty ears and I really like them. And one of the themes for the next pageant I'm doing right now is my favorite color. That is the theme. So yeah, I'll see you guys when the pageant is actually started. So yeah. Okay. So it's the game has begun and it's exciting. So, basically, I'm excited because guess what, everybody? Today, I'm just showing you guys how I get through Sunset Island and how I do fancy stuff and the fact that literally people are not wearing the one color they like. They're just wearing color. Some girls' favorite color is galaxy, but I don't like that. I like galaxy, but galaxy is not the color. Okay, you see, galaxy not the color. Okay? But, and so guys, can you comment down below? So if I do the math. So, which one do you think would get me to 28,000 diamonds if I'm at 12,383? And I'm really good at, making diamonds. Comment down below which one will get me to 28,000 faster. Buying the 4 times more diamonds multiplier, since I have the 2 times more multiplier, then I get 6 times more every time. Or should I buy diamonds? Because I'm planning to buy candy in Adopt Me, the Shadow Dragon, diamonds, and that's about it. And I want to know what's a cheaper way. Literally. I just don't know. But anyway, so, we're going to finish this round and I'm going to just, So we'll finish this round and then we will be done with our video. Okay, so here we are. Yeet. Okay, I'm just thinking. I'm also looking. Who should I vote? I like this one. Okay, so we're done that part. Okay, but also, so my question is why is she wearing a galaxy skirt, but like a sparkly purple shirt? I don't really get it. Anyway, so we voted for the people, and yeah. But so now we gotta wait. Okay, she won second place. Who won first place? Could it be me? Nah, it ain't me, man. Is she gonna say anything? She just won first place. Did she even say thank you? No, she never said anything. Okay. Whatever. Anyway. So, I guess that'll end the video because I don't really know what else to do. But anyway, so bye-bye.